Welcome my friends, my kitchen. We'll make today chicken biryani in hotel style. You can see this is my final touch chicken biryani. So guys, we will prepare 1 kg chicken, 1 kg basmati rice, 2 onions medium size, 4 tomato, green chilli 6 pieces, garlic and ginger paste, this mint leaves 50 grams and coriander leaves 50 gram, aloo bukhan, that means imli, tamarind paste, yogurt 400 grams, fresh lemon 3 pieces small size, cumin seeds 1 spoon, coriander powder, JAIFAL 3 seeds, clove seeds, JAIFAL 1 piece, cardamom seeds, black pepper seeds and star seeds, and this one ILACHI seeds, bay leaf seeds. This all coming whole garam masala, cinnamon stick, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder, and 1.5 cup cooking oil. So we will fry first onion. We will make brown. After brown, we will take out little bit, keep in outside. We will fry here chicken. This is 1 kg chicken. Okay, we'll make it this one more fry, and when it comes brown, we will take out this one. Finally, this one become little bit brown. Now we'll add tomato, garlic paste, ginger paste, mix it well. Then we will add that chicken that we make brown, that one. This one is salt, star seeds and cardamom seed and ILACHI, bay leaves, cardamom seeds and black pepper seeds. This one is turmeric seeds, coriander powder, cumin seeds. Mix slowly. This is yogurt with turmeric powder. So guys, we will mix it up slowly. Two glasses of water. smoothly. We'll cook like this slowly, and we'll cover. After 20 minutes, this will see this one look like so yummy. So saffron color, the food color, we will add little bit here, half teaspoon. And for the color, it's make your rice and your food yellow. It's give a color. So this is all seeds, whole garam seeds, whole garam masala seeds. We'll fry in the little bit here in the butter. You can use butter better for rice. We'll make little bit taste, then we will add 3 liter of water. This is for boiling rice. Okay, our water is boiling. Now we'll add rice. Rice, when you cook, make only 70 and 80% done, because after we'll put in the slow flame 30 to 40 minutes, or 30 to 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, we'll refine this water. This is the mint leaves, and coriander leaves together. At a small lemon, we will cut slice we add, and this is the rice. We will mix together. And we will add butter, saffron color, coriander leaves, mint leaves. What you have, you can add. This one, brown onion. Yeah. Most people like this. Green chili, tomato, green chili, lemon. Rice, more rice. This is rosemary, rose water, and this one is saffron clove. Okay, cover it 20 to 30 minutes and slow flame. Chicken biryani like a restaurant, guys. Okay, it's ready to open. So guys, you can see, ready to serve. Yes. Wow, it's look like so delicious. It smells so nice. Everything is well done. So guys, look like this. Chicken biryani is ready. Thank you to watch my video. You can make your house easily and delicious every day. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please comment in my channel. See you in next recipe. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for like my posts. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your subscribe.